Hi, my name is Heather. Jobs at night. You sleep at night. But some people do job at night. Only doctors and nurses work at night. Some stores and factories are open at night, so people have to work there. In the day, people buy lots of food from stores. At night, store workers put more food in the store. This way, workers are working on train tracks. They work at night because there are no trains. It's too busy in the day. Cities are busy at night. People go out to with friends or to see movie. When they go home, they can take taxi. Taxi drivers are busy at night. Thank you.